Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to fix the stove knobs. This is very common problem and this stove knobs sometimes break. So I want to show you, I fixed already 4 and I want to show you the 5th one. So after fixing, this is tight and this one is still broken and it's moving and it's giving problem. So we're going to take this out. This knob comes with a sleeve. Make sure you have the sleeve with you. So this is how it looks like when it's break. If you look at this part, this is broken and it's moving. So we're going to fix this in 5 minutes. So this sleeve, make sure you have it. Put it in a small tie wrap. We can just tie this loosely and then put this tie wrap uh, around this. Make sure we tight. So I have this plier to secure and tight, and after that cut the tie wrap and it's done, and then just put it back together and it's now tight and I can turn on stove and off without any problem. So please subscribe my channel and see you on next video. Thank you.